In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new pay rate. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Pay Rates. You should arrive at a list of your current pay rates. To create a new one, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Add. Now you can set up your new pay rate. Decide the pay rate type, click the arrow next to pay rate, and choose a flat rate, add to rate, or multiply rate. I'm going to choose flat rate. Then select the amount. You can use the up and down arrows, or you can type directly into that box. Maybe I will say 15. Next, select the bill type rate. This is used when you are invoicing or billing a client. Click the arrow next to bill type, and you have the same options. I'm going to leave this blank. If I had put something there, I would then need to put the amount in the box next to it. Next, enter a differential if you have one. I'm going to leave that blank. Then choose a date range. Maybe I will say the first 15 days of this month. So I'll click the calendar icon, then I'll choose 1. I'll click the ending calendar icon and choose 15. If this is for a specific employee, click the arrow next to employee and choose someone from the drop-down menu. Maybe I'll go ahead and pick Cat. Then choose the project. Click the arrow next to project and choose from any of the projects you have available. I'll go ahead and choose hostess/host. Next, select the task for that project. Click the arrow, and again I'm going to scroll down and choose the same thing, hostess/host. Choose an activity. I'll click the arrow, and I'm going to say wait. Then if you use policies, click the arrow next to policy and select a policy. I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. Add any notes if you need to. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this pay rate, click close. I do, so I'm going to choose save. And now that pay rate has been added. You can see all of the information we entered in. That's how you can add a new pay rate in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete pay rates.